Miss Portia Zuleta Vitu, PhD RN.
Thank you very much. And again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Governor Babilonia. Thank you for coming, and congratulations to your dean, Dr. Richard Logro, and to all the deans and the chief nurse here in Batangas chapter. It is our honor, the national chapter, to share with you the vision and mission of the Philippine National Environmental Organization. And of course, I would like to, in the bottom of our heart, thank you very much, Robinsons. Robinsons always with us for the launching of Pineo. They are one of our major sponsors. And of course, Olea. Olea is there at the back. You can visit their booth there. So, in relation to the Philippine National Environmental Organization, we are working hand in hand with the Philippine Nurses Association or the Pambansang Samahan ng mga nurses. Okay, we are SEC registry. Our number in SEC is CN2-01010062, and we do have also our TIN number that is in the PowerPoint presentation as well. And we are recognized as national level. Next slide, please. For the vision, very simple lang po ang vision ng Philippine Nurses Environmental Organization. We want to be a leading organization on environmental care in the Philippines. For our mission, we are an organization of allied health professionals committed to creating social awareness to promote stewardship, environmental stewardship. And of course, each organization has its battle cry. And the battle cry for our own organization is yes. That is the battle cry of Pineo. So we are going to shout, every one of us here, you can, this is our goal, and of course our battle cry for us as a nurse to be pride in our environment, to nurture and empower others, to organize activities that would enhance caring for environment. I think that would be the end of my slide, and thank you very much again. Batangas chapter, congratulations.